The money mistakes you are making right now in your 20s will cost you over $1 million by the time you retire, and most people will not realize this until it is far too late to fix. A study by Fidelity found that someone who invests just 10 years earlier ends up with nearly double the retirement wealth, even if they invest the exact same total amount. 10 years of delay can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Today, I am exposing all 7 mistakes and exactly how to fix each one. Stay until mistake number 5. It is the one that almost every single person in their 20s is making right now without even realizing it. Mistake number 1, not investing early. And this single mistake is the most expensive one on this entire list. Most people in their 20s tell themselves they will start investing once they make more money, once they pay off some debt, once life feels more stable. But that perfect time rarely comes, and every year of waiting is a year of compound interest you can never get back. Here's the math that will shock you. Someone investing $200 monthly starting at age 22 will have approximately $525,000 by age 65. Someone starting the exact same amount at age 32 will only have about $230,000. 10 years of delay costs nearly $300,000. This is the power of compound interest. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. Your money does not just grow, it grows on top of its own growth. And the earlier you start, the more time that snowball has to roll downhill and become massive. The fix: start investing today, even if it is just $50 per month. Open a Roth IRA or brokerage account this week. The amount matters far less than starting the clock on compound interest as early as possible. Your 65-year-old self is either going to thank your 20-something self for starting today or desperately wish you had started sooner. The choice you make this week determines which version of that future you get. Mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation, and this one quietly traps even people who are earning more money every single year. Lifestyle inflation happens when your spending increases at the same rate as your income. You get a raise, you upgrade your apartment. You get a bonus, you buy a nicer car. 5 years later, you are earning double what you started with, and you have saved almost nothing. Social media makes lifestyle inflation even worse in 2025. You see peers posting vacations, new cars, designer items, and subconsciously feel pressure to match that lifestyle, even though you have no idea about their actual financial situation behind the scenes. The fix: every time your income increases, maintain your current lifestyle and send the entire increase to savings and investments. If you get a $500 monthly raise, that $500 goes directly to your investment account, not your spending. This single habit can take your savings rate from 5% to 30% or higher within just a few years, without ever feeling like you were sacrificing anything, because your lifestyle never actually decreased. The wealthiest people you know likely drive normal cars and live in modest homes, because they understood this principle decades ago. True wealth is built quietly, while lifestyle inflation keeps the appearance of success, but the reality of staying broke. Mistake number 3, credit card debt, and this mistake actively works against every other financial decision you try to make. The average credit card interest rate in America is over 20%. While compound interest can build your wealth when you are investing, that same compound interest destroys your wealth when you are in credit card debt. It is working against you with the exact same power it could be working for you. If you carry a $5,000 credit card balance and only pay the minimum payment, it will take you over 15 years to pay off, and you will pay more than $7,000 in interest alone. That is $7,000 that could have been invested and grown into over $100,000 over the same time period. The fix: use the debt avalanche method. List all your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Pay minimums on everything except the highest interest debt, and throw every extra dollar at that one until it's gone. Then move to the next highest. Once you're debt-free, never carry a balance again. Pay your credit card in full every single month. Credit cards are a tool for building credit history and earning rewards, not a way to buy things you cannot actually afford. The moment your debt is paid off, redirect that entire payment amount into investments. If you were paying $300 per month toward debt, that $300 now goes straight into building your future wealth instead. Mistake number 4, no emergency fund. And this mistake turns small problems into massive financial disasters. Without an emergency fund, a $1,000 car repair or unexpected medical bill goes straight onto a credit card at 20% interest. What should have been a temporary inconvenience becomes long-term debt that follows you for years. The fix: build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in a separate high-yield savings account. This money is not for investing, not for vacations. It exists purely to handle life's inevitable surprises without going into debt. With an emergency fund in place, that same $1,000 car repair becomes a minor inconvenience instead of a financial crisis. You pay it from savings, replenish the fund over the following months, and your long-term investments are never disrupted. Start with just $25 per week automatically transferred to a separate savings account. In 1 year, you will have over $1,300 of protection that most people in their 20s simply do not have. Mistake number 5, and I told you this is the one almost everyone makes: ignoring retirement accounts. Here is the most expensive mistake on this entire list: not contributing enough to get your full employer for a 1K match. If your employer matches up to 5% and you contribute 0%, you are literally leaving free money on the table every single paycheck. If you miss out on a 5% employer match on a $50,000 salary for just 5 years, you lose over $12,500 in free money, plus decades of compound growth on that money, potentially costing you over $100,000 by retirement. The fix: at minimum, contribute enough to your 401k to get the full employer match. This is the single highest guaranteed return available in personal finance. It is literally free money that doubles your investment instantly. Mistake number 6, no financial education. And this mistake makes every other mistake on this list far more likely. Most people graduate college without ever learning how compound interest works, how to read a paycheck, how credit scores function, or the basics of investing. They enter adulthood financially illiterate in a world that runs entirely on money. The fix: dedicate just 30 minutes per week to financial education. Read one personal finance book this quarter. Follow legitimate financial education accounts. Watch videos exactly like this one. This small investment in knowledge pays returns for the rest of your life. Once you understand the basics, every financial decision becomes clearer. You know exactly what questions to ask. You recognize bad financial advice. You make confident decisions instead of guessing and hoping it works out. Financial education compounds just like money does. The earlier you learn these principles, the more decades you have to apply them correctly, and the larger the gap becomes between you and people who never bothered to learn. Start with free resources, budgeting apps, podcasts, books from your local library. You do not need to spend money to become financially educated. You simply need to dedicate consistent time to learning. Mistake number 7, the final and perhaps most paralyzing mistake: fear of investing. Many people in their 20s keep all their money in a regular savings account earning less than 1% interest because investing feels scary, complicated, or risky. But here's what they don't realize: with inflation around 3% annually, that safe money is actually losing value every single year. The fear usually comes from not understanding the options. Stocks feel risky. Crypto feels like gambling. Real estate feels complicated. So instead of learning and starting small, most people simply do nothing, which is actually the riskiest choice of all. The fix starts simple. A low-cost S&P 500 index fund requires no stock-picking skill, automatically diversifies across 500 major companies, and has historically returned about 10% annually over the long term. This is not gambling. This is owning a small piece of the entire American economy. Markets will go up and down. That is completely normal. The investors who build wealth are not the ones who perfectly time a market. They're the ones who invest consistently every single month regardless of what the market is doing for decades. Time in the market beats timing the market. Someone who invests $300 monthly for 30 years, even through multiple market crashes, will end up with far more wealth than someone who waits for the perfect time to invest and never actually starts. 7 mistakes. Not investing early. Lifestyle inflation. Credit card debt. No emergency fund. Ignoring retirement matches. No financial education. And fear of investing. Each one alone can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Together, they can cost you millions over your lifetime. Your 10-year fixed plan. Start investing this week, even if small. Cap your lifestyle and redirect raises to savings. Eliminate credit card debt using the avalanche method. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Maximize your employer 401k match. Spend 30 minutes weekly on financial education and start investing despite the fear. Small and consistent beats perfect and never. 10 years from now, there will be 2 versions of everyone watching this video. One who heard these 7 mistakes and changed nothing. Still living paycheck to paycheck, still in debt, still wondering where the time went. And one who applied even 3 or 4 of these fixes consistently and is now looking at a retirement account worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, zero debt, and genuine financial security. The gap between these 2 futures starts with the decisions you make this week. If this video gave you even one mistake to fix, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to MindWealth for weekly money psychology content. And comment fix below with the one mistake you are correcting starting today. I read and reply to every single comment. See you in the next video.